Guys, it is part 2. I'm just playing with my favorite kitten in the whole wide world, Dipper. He's so cute. Don't even think about it. Oh, whoa, what is he doing? So last time the video ended because of that rake in the snow. Like, I got so mad. Oh, Merlin! What the heck is he doing? Oh, Merlin's got some big paws there on the ground. He's Bigfoot. I think he's Bigfoot. I think Merlin's actually Bigfoot. The Bigfoot in real life. Look, that's amazing, right? I wonder what would happen if we light snow on fire. Alright, so I gotta get my shovel. Hold on. There's so much snow, I'm slipping. Oh, look at this TV. Bro, that thing just came out of nowhere. The whole TV just fell out of nowhere. Oh my gosh, there's a baseball bat. There's a baseball bat in the snow. I hope Baldy wasn't at my house, because that would be very bad. If Baldy was at my house, because then he could terrorize my whole entire house. My cat Jasper, my cat Merlin has way bigger paws than my cat Jasper. My cat Jasper has teeny tiny paws. We're in the shade now. Oh my. This is prickly over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go back over in the beauty snow. It's like Snow White. Oh, this chair, it's stuck in the snow. That chair, stuck in the snow. I don't trust that chair ever that's in the ground because, like, it's always, like, one time it had, like, giant, bigger than cockroaches, jumping bigger than cockroaches. Like, they were literally jumping out of it. I told my mom I was a little bit crazy. That's why I never dared to touch that ever again. I'm looking in the garden right now. It's pretty fly, but your parents and you live in Maine or America, it will snow pretty much everywhere in America, the United States, but not perhaps in North Carolina. That's where my granny lives, and yeah, fat skunk, you chunky walking by, fat skunky, chunky walking by. Alright, what is that thing? Whoa! Ow, there's a ladder up on the furnace for some reason. Jumped into a tire. It's like a pink tire fin. Whoa, look at the fire pit area. It's really covered in snow. You know who isn't covered in snow for good? This guy right here. And you know that man video? Go check out that video where I was literally being a man for a whole day. And yeah, we're gonna make it to another part of that today, and I did that last night. It was so funny, right? And if you watched it, comment down below if you watched it. Bye. I'm so out of breath. Just love. And Jabbers here and Jabbers fatter.